In this video, we will look at how to add tags to a client's screen. Tags are a way to add specific characteristics to a client, and the tags or characteristics that you use and set up are completely customizable by your organization. You can assign one or more tags to a client, and these will help you group clients together in different ways. To add tags to a client, from the home screen, we click Client in the toolbar, search for our client, and double-click their row to open their client screen. The tag section is here, and we can add a new tag to a client by clicking Add Edit Tag. The tags that we see here are the tags that are already set up in our system, and we can apply one or more of these tags to our client. We do this by double-clicking on the tag we want to use, which moves the tag from the Available Tags column to the Selected Tags column. We can also use the Add button to add tags by clicking on the tag we want to add and clicking Add, which again moves the tag to the Selected Tags box. Now, when we click Exit, we can see the tags that we selected in the Tags box in Cindy's client record. Now, anytime that anyone in our organisation opens Cindy Brady's client screen, they will see these tags applied to her. Tags follow a client through the system. So, when a client becomes a tenant, the tags will appear on the tenancy screen for that client. When we update the client record with a tag, it will appear on the tenancy record. When we add or remove tags from the tenancy record, it will also update the client record. If there's a tag that we want to use and it isn't in our list of available tags, we can easily add it to the system so that we can select it for our clients. To add a new tag, we go back to the home screen by clicking the Home button, then click on System Maintenance and Reference Tables. Reference Tables is where we add and remove options from our drop-down lists. We find the reference table for tags, and when we click this, we see all the tags that we've entered into the system. In a reference table, don't worry about the two columns on the left here. We're just concerned with the two columns here, Tag and Active. Some of these tags have the active box ticked and others don't. In Chintaro, we rarely delete anything, and if we don't want to see it, we make it inactive. Only the tags with the active checkbox ticked will appear in the list of available tags. Let's say we want to tag some of our clients with the tag of having a history of homelessness. To add history of homelessness to our list of tags, we always go to the bottom row with the star and New and begin to type the new tag of history of homelessness. We can see that the active checkbox is defaulted to ticked, and when we exit this screen, this will now be saved. Now, we can search for our client again, and when we click on Add Edit Tag, we can select History of Homelessness. We'll now be able to use these tags in a number of different ways. One of the ways we can use these tags is by generating a letter to all the clients with a particular tag applied to them. Let's go back to the main menu and click Clients, then Client Letters. We get this message to say that this form may take a minute to load, and we can click on OK to open the screen. When the Client Letters screen opens, we see a number of columns on the screen. If we move over to the right-hand side, we can see the Tags column, and this column will show us all tags that have been applied to all of our clients. Let's say we have a family day planned and want to contact everyone with the tag Family with Kids. To do this, we click the back arrow next to the column heading of Tags, go down to Text Filters, and then click on Contains. We can then enter a tag for which we want to filter. For example, if we would like to send a letter to all clients who have the tag of Family with Kids, we type Family in the Tag Contains field, click Enter, and our screen has been filtered to only those clients that we have tagged with Family with Kids. Now we have filtered our screen and we are ready to create a word merge for these particular clients. First, we will select which template of a letter we would like to produce, and we'll be using the Healthy Living Day letter. We have the option for Chintaro to create a client note for each of our clients for whom we word merge this letter, and we'll leave this ticked. We could untick this box if we didn't want the note to be created for our clients. We can now select the clients for which we would like to generate this letter. We can select all clients by clicking the Select All button at the top here, and can click the Select None to remove this. We may only want to send the letter to some clients with this tag, and we can individually select those clients by clicking the tick box for each client to whom we would like the letter to be sent. We'll select 3 clients and click Word Merge. We'll see a pop-up saying 3 client notes added successfully, and when we click on OK, Microsoft Word will open where we see the letters Chintaro has generated. When we go back to Chintaro, to show all of our clients again on this screen, we click the Show All button. We can also use the same filtering techniques of using tags to contact our clients via email or SMS, and we will have a look at these functions in future videos. Tags will also be visible when we create maintenance tasks, but we'll have a look at this in a later video as well.